Macbook SSD replacement. This is the TBS 4227 SSD. We have to connect in this slot like this, and SSD is detected. And now we have to program. First we program 8600, now we program 8700. Write IC data. Now it's downloading the data and programming the another SSD. This is a MacBook Air 2018 model, A1932 model, 13-inch, and SSD size is 256 GB. In this model there is 256 GB, 512 GB also available. And NAND is formatting now after NAND repair complete. Now both NAND is programmed now. This is a 8600 and this other one is 8700. Now we program lots of NAND. See here, lots of NAND there. We have to program all NAND. This is a all 2141 SSDs, and this is a 1990 SSD. We replace onboard SSD, short SSD. Thank you.